Shout out to Nuno Mendes. Hey, what a free kick. One of the few free kicks in the match. And shout out to Pepe in the stadium.
Morio wa CR7 guys, anapiga smile. Sema man, huyo ni mzee anapiga kazi hiyo design. Mimi nilemea. Ain't easy Pepe. You know what it is, gang. The Portugal former player, guys. Interesting fixture here, gang. We have 2 goals in the bag already, guys, for Portugal. Uzbekistan is yet to try, guys. I've not seen attacks from them. Just an attempt. Looked neat for Simon to take it, guys. Mimi unajua pesa yangu iko kwa clean ati Simon. Unajua pesa yangu iko kwa clean sheets, mzee.
For
goalkeeper namtambua, chill. Hold it. Yeah, gang. So say hi on the chat. Tuambie unatupatia wapi on this one, man. Sawa. Nataka nitoe miwani mbele ya watu. Na huu mwanga. Crazy. So guys, the goalkeeper hapa anahusika mara moja peke yake, guys, from Portugal, guys. Nashangaa, man. What else will be cooking here, gang? What else? Cause Uzbekistan ain't attacking. Waruhusu Ronaldo afunge 3. Tutashukuru, guys. Tutashukuru sana.
I think this will be one of the easy fixtures for Portugal.
Kazi ipo, guys. Kazi ipo for Uzbekistan and Co to hold it up at least, guys, and find a way in here, gang. Do you think of a GG on this one? Share on the chat, guys. Tuambia, where is your money? Who got your money on this one, guys? As Portugal are trying to play a long ball here, guys, from the goal kick. Giving it away, guys. Uzbekistan composure still yet to be found on this one. Pia wanasu. Wanashanga. Already? It would have been earlier, guys. Wakona bahati sana. Bruno had his way again. Dakaya Mbwegeje. We have a run here, guys. Uzbekistan looking interesting on the passing here, guys. Tunangoja tuone kama Portugal pia kona some defensing to do here, guys, because Uzbekistan wanajua hii game hii. Wasipojituma wanapigwa kadhaa.
Wanaweza hesabiwa kazi ya thrashing.
Tuambia CR7, you got this. Big up Adidas. Kali sana. Hii ni mwecheche, guys.
Welcome to Houston. Welcome to NRG Stadium, guys. Welcome to USA.
Another American action to enjoy here, gang. Share on the chat. Tuambie unatupatia wapi. Where are you watching this one from, guys? Before tungoje tuone kama Shomunov atafanya kitu. Shomurodov atafanya kitu, guys. Our attacker here, number 14.
Ndio tulikuwa tunaona Uzbekistan's top scorer.
Bana, tegemeo letu kama CR7, Portugal's top scorer. Tuko na baba pia sisi ni baba kijana. Ladu!
Wewe. Fire.
Diego Costa.
Pure fire.
Ni nduru. Gigi.
Kalma.
Nashukuru. Gigi nashukuru.
Wow.
Umeona? Baba, guys on the chat. Umeona hii? Amjaona? Ronaldo anaonyeshwa kitu hapa. He can take it. Anaweza piga long range kama hiyo, guys. Wanasema there was a tackle, but goalkeeper anaambia Costa Rica. Hajafika hiyo age, guys. Hajafika Rica. What? Mpaka Messi anapiga celebration. Shanga, chill out, bro. Wow. Wanasema hapa, guys, it was a foul. Tunairudisha huku kote, really. Crazy. Definitely was a foul on this one, guys. Interesting, guys. What? Hiyo ni stana, guys.
Don't disallow it.
Hiyo ni stana. Anaambia wasewa tokeni. Sawa, anakuja ya nini, guys? Hii ni kama inashuka, guys. nika for Ronaldo. So unse nikani wa Ronaldo. Mimi sikuona foul but juu mmefunga tutaitoa. Big up guys Uzbekistan for stunning us with that brilliant stunner.
Shout out.
Hiyo ni bao mbaya bana.
Respect to all fire disallowed goals, guys.
Hiyo ni mbaya, guys. We know the referee haezi nini. Kama hakuona foul, mbona ana insist? Anyway, it was interesting, guys, to see Uzbekistan play that stunning shot, guys. Wow is the word. Ronaldo alikuwa inspired hapo, guys. What? Naambiwa you can do it, baba. What? That one was some. Acha nipigie makofi. Si jiji yetu tuko nayo, guys. Tunangoja ihesabiwe tu. What? We can do it. Kusanovenko, you can do it. You can do it.
Definitely. You can definitely get a goal. Let's go.
Yeah. Sasa tungekuwa tunatafuta equalizer but it is what it is, gang. Team underdog. Tulia Mendes, Joe. We have an amazing fixture here, guys. Where are you watching it from? Portugal 2. Uzbekistan disallowed goal, guys. And they are down 2 goals, guys. No goals for them yet. That is legal to count here, gang. It's gonna be interesting on this chase for sure, gang. So far, tumeona Uzbekistan kama wana build up momentum, guys. On this one, we have a throw-in for them here, guys. Fire.
Fire, what a fire match, guys.
Nimeona shot. Hiyo shot ndio mwecheche. Hiyo.
You are fire. Nani ameiweka?
Noma sana.
Shout out to Ganiev for the disallowed goal.
Diego Costa knows what happened there, gang. Sema, I hurry, boys. What? Kamba. Tungepiga soon. Ni venye tuna respect baba.
Copyright.
Crazy. So we have an interesting free kick here, guys. Inapigwa delivery premium. It's outside for a goal kick. Looked interesting, guys, for the number 9 to at least hold it up. Big up Kusanov and Coman. You're not giving it up easy. Cheki Mendes anaambia hiyo side nimekuinulia wall. Side je Kamba. What?
Goalkeeper wasn't expecting Mendes to take it.
Kali sana. Brilliant from Portugal, guys, on the second goal. And big up Baba. You know what it is, gang. He's already in the score sheet, gang. So we have a foul here, guys, from Jao. Uzbekistan get a free kick. 33 minutes in, 30 seconds. It's gonna be Sam. Say on the chat, guys. Tuambie unapatia hii wapi? Where are you enjoying it from? Who are you watching it with, guys? And are you Team Ronaldo or Team Messi? Share on the chat, gang. It's crazy. That's the word.
Baba. Let's go, Ronaldo. That 4 minutes in, guys. Who are you supporting? There is a Mexican wave going around the Energy Stadium. Guys, dangerous attack by Uzbekistan. Well handled by Costa.
Bana, huyu boys ana height. Asumbue Costa. Nienda wametutoa kwa pesa, maana kwenda nkaa Mchina.
But I think Fei ndio alituwekea ile bao ya Uzbekistan. Walifunganga ngapi? Shout out to Fei.
Kali sana.
They already scored in the World Cup.
I can recognize that guy. Special player. Na tutoa kwa pesa. Damn. Crazy football, guys. It is what it is, gang. Say how in the chat as the event unfold here, gang. You're just here to witness greatness. Baba is playing, gang. Pure greatness. You all know what it is. Uliza Mendes. Crazy football so far, guys. Say hi, gang. Tell us where you are watching this one from, gang. So we are live on YouTube, Kick, Twitch, Trovo, guys, and Instagram. Check us out. Hermanos Entertainment, guys, is the name. So we have a run here, guys. Nice one. Bongela defending required here, guys, from Uzbekistan. Brilliant. We have a run. Cheza mapema baba ama ukuende. Sikia ametuuza. It's fine. It's fine. We had a run here, guys, but the striker deciding not to give the ball.
Nice one, Neves. Nice one, Bruno. Let's go, Portugal. I want two. Let's go. João Felix on it.
Tafuta Ronaldo.
Nice one. Well defended by Uzbekistan.
Mbona wanazipiga chini though? I don't get it. Ronaldo aliisha vichwa.
Afahamu wamjaribu.
Jazivani hizo za chini. Unajua saa zingine pengine we are pointing fingers but Ronaldo anataka afikiwe na ball jo.
Anataka mabao.
Bana asipofikiwa, guys, itakuwa nadra kupata jo. Look for him. Ronaldo playing the pass on, guys. We almost saw a run from him, guys. Wanasema amejidondosha. Referee simamisha game. Si tuko team Ronaldo. Uzbekistan wana decide to clear it game. For CR7.
The goat is down. The goat is down, guys.
Ronaldo anapata. It's not a foul even, gang. So throw in real quick.
Shout out to Leao on the bench. We expect to see Leao in the second half. So today João Felix starting. I think today Portugal making a change from the last lineup. We have Ruben Dias coming in and João Felix coming in.
Crazy. Baba na Guzo anatuzumia Leao tusaidie aje.
Leao the free agent.
Alisaidia AC Milan na nini?
Mpaka kawaacha. Ama alikuwa anajua anatoka ndio maana hakuwa na side.
Ama aliisha. Crazy. We have an amazing fixture here, gang. Portugal versus Uzbekistan. Ronaldo episode 2.
We are live.
That's what's up. Say hi on the chat, gang. Tuambie unaipatia wapi. Tukizoom in tuone nani atapika hapa, guys, for the next goal. Feel free also to share on the chat your thoughts, gang. What will be cooking here, guys? What do you think? Who is scoring next? Will Ronaldo be able to find another one? Tell us on the chat, gang.